How can we use time and time management in a way that makes our lives more meaningful? Hi, this is Levan Bachia, author of Time Well Used, and in this video I'm going to show you how time management can turn your life into what you want. Watch this video till the end. I promise you, I'm not wasting your time. Actually, on my channel I'm trying to share some ideas that will save you time in the future. So watching it now is like an investment. Time management and productivity ideas are philosophically empty. Good proof of that is that if you Google now time management and productivity, the results gonna show you tips, tricks, various kind of strategies and methodologies, everything that really concentrates on logical, practical and routine side of time management. How come we all have these task management apps, calendars and various tools and still are horrible at time management? How is it that we have all these tips, tricks, but they don't work? If they work and if they are good, we are still stressed by time. That's because something is wrong about what we know about time management. If we don't introduce philosophy to time management, all these tips and tricks and all these various methods, they're gonna stay some kind of routine and some kind of repetition that is not going to deliver results. It's going to be a little bit better than doing nothing at all, but it's not even closer to what time management really can bring to your life. And this channel and my blog is all about that. If you are interested in that, please make sure to subscribe. We are conditioned by culture to think that time is money. But if we think that time is money, we are underestimating value of time. If you get paid $50 an hour and work for 24 hours and for 75 years, you will get paid $32 million. That's a lot, you might say. But would you trade your life to earn $32 million and never do a thing but work? Usually when philosophy starts, meaningful questions arise and you start to really understand the essence of the topic. You see, philosophy is about love of knowledge. If you are going to approach time management and productivity that way, you're gonna start asking questions, and with questions, answers will come. Questions like, why is important more important than the urgent? Why is it easier to focus for 25 minutes when you know that you're just focusing for 25 minutes? Why is everyone saying to keep a to-do list? If you approach time management this way, asking questions and understanding it from deep inside rather than just reading tips and tricks, I mean, it's good to read tips and tricks and apply them, but if you approach those tips and tricks with questions, with the love of knowledge, as philosophers will do, you will teach yourself to fish. You know the saying about not giving the fish to a hungry man, but rather teaching them to fish. So the hungry man is you, and you are the one who teaches yourself. If that's your mindset, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Push subscribe button and notification bell. Also, if you haven't seen my other videos, I will try to cover some interesting topics there about time management, productivity, motivation, goal setting, choice making, and everything else that can result in life well lived. So can you even manage time? What is there to manage about time? Is it a duration and tasks that you put in the duration and the durations that you allocate to different clock times? Or is time management really about managing your internal world, managing the moment you are present with? Is it about making your life fuller and more richer with the experiences? Time should be used exactly as we please. But we want to avoid these truths. We don't want to realize it because we are afraid of the responsibility that comes with it. Time management is underestimated. Time means life. Time is a fiat of life. You pay life to achieve your tasks. You pay time to get your life to where you want it. And what you spend is your life. You spend 5 days of your week to have a good weekend. You spend it to enjoy your weekend. Time management is really about self-management. Time management tips and tricks are logical, but you should manage time from inward perspective. It's something emotional, something personal. Time management is actually self-management. Efficiency is a good thing by itself when all things are equal, but the strategy of efficiency might not be the best. For example, significance. Should you manage time for significance or for efficiency? Is time used well better than time used efficiently? Because efficiency means comparison, competition. Somebody else's efficiency can be compared with my efficiency. But I might be an efficient father, or I might be an efficient farmer, and somebody might be efficient in conquering the cosmos. Time well used versus time used efficiently is another philosophical idea. Spend your time now learning about philosophy of time management and personal productivity, and save time in the future, like a return on investment. This is going to be time well used.